Greetings my Vamps and welcome back to Ivana Face Paint. Today I'm not completely sure what I'm doing, but I think that I want to do something that's a mixture of gory and a little bit of like glam type stuff. I want a little bit of creepy and pretty mixed together. Let's see what we can do with it. But I think I'm gonna do something where my mouth is like closed shut in some way. So I'll figure out what I want to use for that, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have my mouth closed and that'll be the gory part of this. And then we'll just do something with our eyeshadow. I already went ahead and put on foundation and stuff, so we don't gotta worry about that. Yeah, so let's just get started. But first, I'm gonna take out my lip ring. I think we'll start with the mouth and get that part done and out of the way, for the most part anyway. So I think I've decided for the mouth, I'm gonna use this like gold string stuff. You can see it. Yeah. We will take our black paint. I'll take my little water bottle here and wet it. And I thought to use hot water in this bottle so that way it stays warm the whole time and I don't put freezing cold paint on my face because that sucks. I think I'm gonna pale out my lips real quick just with some lighter powder. Just in case. I don't know if I'm gonna leave part of my lips or what. I haven't decided. We're just gonna see how it looks as I go. So that's what makes it fun. Just never knowing what you're gonna do. It tickles. This alone is a little creepy. Oh god, that's a real creepy face. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm just gonna do some shading around this, I guess. I don't know.
Clearly, I did not need to pale out my lips.
I don't even know, like, I didn't think this through all the way. I guess we'll just see what happens. This might have been completely pointless. I don't know. So now that we've got that, I guess we'll start with the latex part. I'm gonna start here. And to do this, we want some toilet paper and latex. Start at this bottom piece, get some latex, put the latex over top, and then take a little piece of toilet paper and put that over top of that. We'll let that dry. We'll rip the edges. And before this starts falling off, we'll go ahead and put the next piece on up here. You might want to do more than one layer of this actually. So yeah, we'll go ahead and add another layer to the other piece too. Do at least 2 layers each one. That's the bone thick. And your little ripped edges don't gotta be perfect right now because we'll be covering, I think, with scar wax. Doing that again, guys. You're probably tired of me attempting to use scar wax, but it worked good on the ripped face thing, so I'll probably just use my homemade scar wax to kind of do the same type of thing. I just kind of want it to blend more, so we'll just use that for the blending process, I guess. And once I do this, I guess I won't be able to like talk anymore. It'll just be voiceovers, I guess, for the rest of this once I get this part done. So I actually can still kind of talk, for now anyway. I am gonna go back and add a few extra spots. Now we're gonna use scar wax and start smoothing all of this out.
So after I struggled with the scar wax again for a little bit, I realized it wasn't gonna work this way because I wasn't thinking it through all the way, and I forgot that I should probably finish the latex part first and then do the scar wax. So here I am, correcting my mistakes once again, as always. So I just throw on some latex, let it dry, and then we will throw on our powder and liquid foundations. And once we get that on, then we apply the scar wax. it's a very tedious thing when I apply the scar wax because I have to do one little piece at a time to make sure that it doesn't start falling off again. So once we get the scar wax on, we can put on our powder and then our liquid foundation again. Next, I decided to go back and redo the black paint on my lips so that way it would be a little bit more defined. I also redid the shading as well. Now we get to start on the eyeshadow, and for that I will use the chaser color out of my Naked Urban Decay Heat palette and use that on the edges, which you can't really see because it blends in with my skin, but I don't care because it makes it smoother to me. It's whatever. Anyway, so after that we will apply the ashes color in the crease of our eye, and then for highlighting I use the ounce color. Once all of that's on, I decided to add this random blue cream glitter eyeshadow that I have, just because I don't really have a reason. I just felt like doing that. Now to really make the look start to come together, we add our red cream paint. After we add the red paint, just to make this look a little bit more extra, I decided to shade the little indentions of my forehead. Oh, and for that I used the ashes color from my Naked Urban Decay Heat palette, and then I also went back over it with the brown color in my 24K Nudes Maybelline palette. So this is pretty much the look. I go and add my eyeliner, some contacts, and blood, and then I come back in and show you all the finished look. And here it is, the amazing weird threaded face thing. And I mean, this is just my first attempt. I'll probably try to make some other kind of videos like this in the future, just because it was a lot of fun, but I definitely want to do things a little bit differently next time. But I really enjoyed making this one. Like I love working on this creepy special effects stuff a lot. So I'm hoping to do a lot more things like this. And once again, as always, I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. I love you guys so much. If you like this video, please make sure that you go and hit that big subscribe button so you can keep up with what I'm doing. And if you have any questions, concerns, or requests, please let me know that in the comments. Thank you, Vamps, so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Oh yes, work it, honey. Work that bloody face. Yes. Yes. Work it. Work it. Okay.